Today we're going to be assembling a Martin Till row cleaner. As you can see, the main bracket is facing me. I've got also precision tread wheel, which we're going to be adding CleanSweep to this Martin Till row cleaner. As you can see, I've marked my left tread wheel. Also, the shark tooth also are marked for left side. And as you can see, my left side is really on my right now, but the way this is assembled is if you were standing behind it. So your left side would be on this side and your right side would be on the other. So we're going to start out by putting this left tread wheel together. And we're going to turn the tread wheel upside down. We're going to take the left-handed shark tooth with the words facing down, match up our holes. Now we're going to take the hub, make sure that the 5/8 inch hole is facing upwards. Line up your holes. Now you need the 3/8 inch carrier bolts that have been ordered from Precision. They're 1 3/4 inches long. Slide them into your holes. Need to make sure that they're really tight, because if not, they will come loose. And this process will be the same on your right-handed tread wheel. Be using a 9/16 to tighten them all down. Now we finished assembling the left. Of course, the right. It's been marked, right hand. Shark tooth is the right side, and it'll be assembled just the same as the left side. We've already assembled that.